morning, honorable judges and everyone here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Chelsea Gultom from Cinta Rakyat Vocational High School. Today, I will deliver my speech. The title is The Values of Saint Joseph in Modern Leadership. First, let us express our gratitude to God Almighty for allowing us to gather here today. Second, I would like to thank you for the opportunity to deliver this speech. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we navigate the complexities of modern leadership, we often find ourselves searching for role models who embody the value we strive to uphold. One such figure is Saint Joseph, the husband of Maria and the early father of Jesus. Saint Joseph's life teaches us about the importance of quiet leadership. In a world where loud voices and bold actions often garner the most attention, Saint Joseph shows us that true leadership can be exercised quietly with humility and dedication. Furthermore, Saint Joseph's willingness to listen and obey God's faith, even when it seemed impossible, demonstrates the value of trust and surrender in leadership. As leaders, we must learn to trust in a power greater than ourselves and surrender our own ambitions for greater good. Lastly, Saint Joseph's love and care for Maria and Jesus remind us that leadership is not just about achieving goals, but also about nurturing and empowering those around us. As leaders, we must strive to create an environment where our team members feel valued, supported, and empowered to grow. Saint Joseph's values is like quiet leadership, trust, surrender, and love. Offer us a strong model for modern leadership. May we strive to embody these values our own lives, and may we become leaders who inspire and empower others to do the same. So guys, that's all from me. I apologize if there are any mistakes. And for your attention, I say thank you.